game changer. Once you do this technique, it will change your life. I'm a TV makeup artist and I work with presenters, weather presenters, I freelance. Makeup artists have been gatekeeping these 10 secrets for a while. It's about time that I shared them with you. Number one, you're going to be shocked by this, but makeup artists don't use primer. Skincare is way more important for longevity than primers. Primers are almost a marketing myth. They're more there to entice a customer into buying it. The only time I would buy a primer is if I needed to blur my pores. Got my makeup on for like 12 plus hours, then I'll wear a primer just to like smooth out the layer. Most days I do not wear a primer. I'll let you know in the next tip how to make your makeup actually stay rather than using a primer. We do a very good skincare routine. If you sit in my chair, I will cleanse your face, I will tone your face, put an eye cream on, I'll put a moisturizer on. Sometimes I'll even put some serums on your face. That gives enough tack for makeup to stick to. I said I was going to tell you in tip number 2 how to make your makeup stay on. You need to make sure you are layering your products slowly. I hate to be the bearer of bad news here, but if you're doing makeup in 10 minutes and you're putting one layer of foundation all over your face, one layer of concealer and a bit of powder and you go out the house, it's not going to stay. You need to be using cream blush, cream bronzer. You then need to create a powder base version of all of those. Now I would go for my translucent powder, then I would use a powder bronzer, then I would use a powder blush. That is called layering. Number 3, no setting spray is magically going to make your makeup last longer. You've got fixing sprays, setting sprays, and then sprays that help your makeup layer. Whilst you're layering, you can spray your face and keep it hydrated in between all the layers, and that will also help your makeup last longer. If you want a setting spray that's going to hold your makeup and make it last long, you need a fixing spray. That's completely different to a setting spray. And in marketing terms, they say setting spray, fixing spray is what you need. You know, in the Olympics with the synchronized swimmers and their makeup just did not budge, they were using fixing spray. I'm getting so passionate that I need a sip of water. Tip number 4, use individual lashes instead of full lashes. With a full lash, you can see it's from corner to corner. With individuals like this, you can take individual lashes and create your own lash, and what this does is create a more natural look. Most makeup artists make custom lashes. We'll start from the outer corner and we'll just build in and see how much we want to do. This is a great way to control how much lash you want. Tip number 5 is clean your makeup brushes. The reason your makeup artist made your makeup look so good and you can't do that on yourself is because they have clean brushes. We use alcohol, 99.9% alcohol to spray on our brushes. It means that the product is going to sit really nicely on our skin. There's not going to be a formula already mixed into the brush that's going to make it go weird. Every time I have a makeup lesson, I always say, clean your brushes. Number 6, makeup professionals always do their eye makeup first before they do their face makeup. There is a reason for that. If you do your eye makeup first, your eyeshadow fallout on your skin can be wiped away before you start your foundation base. You will not get panda eyes. You'll have a complete clean base for you to then apply your foundation after, and it will look so perfect. You will thank me. Number 7 is set your face with loose powder. I'm telling you, you need a loose powder. If you want your makeup to last longer, if you want your oils to be controlled throughout the day, you need a finely milled powder to really push into those pores to stop that oil from coming out. This will absorb any oil on your face. It'll also set all of the products onto your face so it's long wearing. If you had a loose powder, your makeup game will completely change. It's the one thing that we use as makeup artists. Like, I go through so much of this. Number 8 is high-end makeup is better quality than low-end makeup. There are low-end drugstore products that I have in my pro makeup kit that work really well, can get the same result with drugstore products. With high-end products, you're more likely to get a product that works. In drugstore, you do get some hit and misses, but there are some exceptions. If you haven't seen my favorite drugstore video, go to that one because there are some hidden gems in drugstore. Number 9 is you're probably not putting enough foundation on your face. People are really timid with their product amount on their face because they don't want it to look too much. But actually, if you want your products to look good on your face, you do need it to look kind of crazy at the beginning. Trust the process. Number 10 is everyone can wear wing liner. You just place it differently on different eye shapes. Someone says to you that their eyeliner doesn't suit them, then they're lying, because I think there would be a way in which it would suit them. It's just learning the technique. 80% it is technique, 20% is product. So you need to be following and subscribing to the right people that are going to actually teach you how to place your eyeliner in the right way. There are far too many people out there that say that they can't do it on hooded eyes, they can't do it because of that eye shape, and it's just not true. That was my 10 brutally honest makeup beauty secrets that a makeup artist have been gatekeeping from you. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of any of them. Did they really help you out? Did you find one more intriguing than the other? Please tell me, I would love to know, and hit the subscribe if you want to see more.